Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: what type of cell contains the intermediate filament cytokeratin? Answer: epithelium. Question: in which direction across the plasma membrane does the sodium-potassium ATPase move sodium? Answer: 3 sodium out per ATP consumed. Question: which tendon is commonly the site of xanthomas in familial hypercholesterolemia, type 2A familial dyslipidemia? Answer: Achilles tendon. Question: which enzyme in the electron transport chain is inhibited by antimycin A? Answer: complex 3. Question: which blotting procedure is used to diagnose Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Answer: Western blot. Question: which lysosomal storage disease is associated with angiokeratomas? Answer: Fabry disease. Question: which energy store is the major source of energy after day 3 of starvation? Answer: adipose stores. Question: how does glucose 6-phosphate influence glycogenesis in both liver and muscle? Answer: activation. Question: on which side of the plasma membrane is the ATP binding site on the sodium-potassium ATPase? Answer: cytosolic. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of the lysosomal storage disorder Hunter syndrome? Answer: X-linked recessive. Question: which enzyme involved in nucleotide synthesis converts ribose 5' into PRPP? Answer: PRPP synthetase. Question: how does acetyl coenzyme A influence pyruvate carboxylase in gluconeogenesis? Answer: positive allosteric regulator. Question: what trinucleotide repeat is seen in myotonic muscular dystrophy type 1? Answer: CTG, in the DMPK gene. Question: which enzyme is deficient in the lysosomal storage disorder Niemann-Pick disease? Answer: sphingomyelinase. Question: which vesicular trafficking protein carries material from the plasma membrane to endosomes? Answer: clathrin. Question: which water-soluble vitamin is necessary for dopamine beta-hydroxylase, the enzyme that converts DA to Ne? Answer: vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Question: which apolipoprotein functions as a cofactor for lipoprotein lipase? Answer: ApoC2. Question: how does increased maternal age influence the risk of having a child with Down syndrome? Answer: increased, especially through meiotic nondisjunction of homologous chromosomes. Question: what trinucleotide repeat is seen in Fragile X syndrome? Answer: CGG. Question: which autoimmune disorder is highly associated with anti-spliceosomal snRNP antibodies, anti-Smith antibodies? Answer: SLE. Question: what gene is mutated in neurofibromatosis type 2? Answer: NF2 on chromosome 22. Question: what B vitamin is thiamine? Answer: B1. Question: how does regulation by fructose 2,6-bisphosphate influence phosphofructokinase 1 activity? Answer: activation, via allosteric binding. Question: what amino acid is histamine derived from? Answer: histidine. Question: which enzyme is deficient in the lysosomal storage disorder Fabry disease? Answer: alpha-galactosidase A. Question: which apolipoprotein is unique to chylomicrons? Answer: ApoB48. Question: how does nuchal translucency change in the first trimester in Pa-Tau syndrome? Answer: increase. Question: which enzyme converts pyruvate to oxaloacetate, which can then be fed into the TCA cycle? Answer: pyruvate carboxylase. Question: which DNA nucleotides are methylated on the template strand during DNA replication? Answer: cytosine, adenine. Question: what type of collagen is found in skin? Answer: type 1. Question: in which direction is mRNA read? Answer: 5 to 3. Question: which vesicular trafficking protein carries material through the Golgi in a retrograde direction? Answer: COPY. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Krabbe disease? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: how does the activity of glycogen synthase change in glycogenesis with glucose 6-phosphate regulation? Answer: increase. Question: what gene is mutated in Marfan syndrome? Answer: fibrillin 1. Question: which vitamin is an essential cofactor in the hydroxylation of preprocollagen in the rough ER? Answer: vitamin C. Question: how does regulation by citrate influence the activity of phosphofructokinase 1? Answer: inhibition. Question: which 3 nucleotides are pyrimidines? Answer: cytosine, thymine, uracil. Question: how does the resistance to malaria change in G6PD deficiency? Answer, increase. Question, how do alpha-ketoglutarate levels change in hyperammonemia? Answer, decrease, thereby inhibiting the TCA cycle. Question, which trinucleotide sequence found on the T-arm of tRNA allows for tRNA ribosome binding? Answer, thymine, pseudoridine, cytosine. Question, how does the activity of acetylcoenzyme A carboxylase in fatty acid synthesis change with insulin regulation? Answer, increase. Question, how does PRPP aminotransferase activity in de novo purine synthesis change with IMP regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, which lysosomal storage disorder is associated with aseptic necrosis of the femur and bone crises? Answer, Gaucher disease. Question, what is the second most common gene mutated in autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease? Answer, PKD2 on chromosome 4. Question, what are the two only purely ketogenic amino acids? Answer, lysine, leucine. Question, what type of cytoskeletal filaments are involved in axonal trafficking? Answer, microtubule. Question, what is the rate-limiting enzyme in cholesterol synthesis? Answer, HMG-CoA reductase. Question, what amino acid is thyroxine derived from? Answer, tyrosine via phenylalanine. Question, what is the mechanism of action of Dornase alpha in the treatment of cystic fibrosis? Answer, clearing of leukocytic debris via DNase action. Question, which cellular organelle functions to add mannose 6-phosphate to proteins for trafficking to lysosomes? Answer, Golgi apparatus. Question, which enzyme involved with DNA replication unwinds the DNA template at the replication fork? Answer, helicase. Question, how does a mutation in the promoter sequence typically influence gene transcription? Answer, dramatic decrease. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of essential fructosuria? Answer, autosomal recessive. Question, how do phenylalanine levels change in phenylketonuria? Answer, increased, thereby leads to excess phenylketones in the urine. Question, what type of cell contains the intermediate filament vimentin? Answer, connective tissue. Question, what B vitamin is pantothenic acid? Answer, B5. Question, which enzyme in the liver removes a phosphate group from glucose 6-phosphate, thereby allowing glucose to be transported into the blood? Answer, glucose 6-phosphatase. Question, which mucolytic agent is used to treat the mucus plug seen in cystic fibrosis by cleaving the disulfide bonds within mucus glycoproteins? Answer, N-acetylcysteine. Question, which chromosomal trisomy is seen in Down syndrome? Answer, trisomy 21. Question, which nicotinamide electron donor is used in anabolic processes as a supply of reducing equivalents? Answer, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of thalassemias? Answer, AR. Question, which lysosomal storage disorder is associated with pancytopenia? Answer, Gaucher disease. Question, how does the activity of carbamyl phosphate synthetase I activity in the urea cycle change with N-acetylglutamate regulation? Answer, increase. Question, which chromosome undergoes a microdeletion in Cre-Duchat syndrome? Answer, chromosome 5. Question, what is the second most common etiology of Down syndrome? Answer, Robertsonian translocation. Question, how many flavin adenine dinucleotide molecules are made in the TCA cycle? Answer, 1. Question, what is the only urea cycle enzyme deficiency that is X-linked recessive? Answer, ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency. Question, what type of collagen is found in the basement membrane? Answer, type 4. Question, what is the most common type of collagen? Answer, type 1, 90%. Question, what is the genetic inheritance of von Hippel-Lindau disease? Answer, AD. Question, how does the activity of phosphofructokinase 1 in glycolysis change with citrate regulation? Answer, decrease. Question, which blotting procedure is used to identify DNA? Answer, Southern blot. Question, which water-soluble vitamin is required for pyruvate carboxylase activity and gluconeogenesis? Answer, vitamin B7, biotin. Question, which vesicular trafficking protein carries material through the Golgi in the anterograde direction? Answer, COP2. Question, on which chromosome is the NF2 gene found? Answer, chromosome 22. Question, which gene is mutated in Becker muscular dystrophy? Answer, Dystrophin. Question: which chemically modified nucleotide is found in the D arm of tRNA and allows for tRNA recognition by the correct aminoacyl tRNA synthetase? Answer: dihydrouracil. Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast Series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.